AMS 2140 Analyze Expert, Turning Speed Detection. In this tutorial, we present a good method for determining the speed of your rotating equipment. Turning speed is a critical piece of information in a good vibration monitoring program. Very often you will be measuring vibration where the speed is constant and already specified in the software. However, if the speed is variable or unknown, the spectra may not be measured correctly. You may also want to check the speed periodically to confirm it is recorded correctly. As we go through the procedure for detecting turning speed, you'll note a visual reference to the CSI 2140. Please be aware that this product has been rebranded as AMS. This is the home screen of the AMS 2140 Machinery Health Analyzer. To measure the turning speed, go to F7 Advanced Analyze. Select F11, or Turning Speed Detection. Press Start. The collector will ask you for an estimate of speed. We'll use 3,000 RPM for this example. I will now start the machine. I will collect a quick spectrum. In the spectrum, we will look for an imbalance value at about 50 Hz. Why 50 Hz? That's 3,000 RPM divided by 60. Data collection is complete. Press Enter to view the data, and place the cursor on a peak in the 3,000 RPM range. In this example, the highest peak in that area is 2,871 RPM, which suggests this is the turning speed of the machine. If that seems correct, press F1. Set RPM to store the data, and continue with regular vibration data collection based at the speed. This concludes our tutorial. Please continue watching to select from other recommended tutorials, or visit the AMS Reliability channel for the AMS 2140 playlist. Additional product information can be found at emerson.com/AMS2140. Thank you for watching.